Something else I highly recommend when you're installing a muffler, because there's just not much room up in there to, to move a wrench or a ratchet, and you may have to put it up and take it down a few times, while you adjust this hanger arm right here, just to make sure that the tip hangs correctly out the back and isn't pushing a bit against the rear diffuser or your fascia or whatever. So, sometimes you have to remove this a couple of times to bend these hangers, and it can just be a pain in the rear to try and use a standard wrench or a ratchet up in there. So just make sure you use a good old air socket, air ratchet. Highly recommended. It just makes life so much easier when it comes to removing these bolts back in here. That's what I'm doing, at least.